Hello, once again, welcome to Leomike Concepts. This is Leomike Xavier, and today we shall be looking at how to edit, delete, and restore a post. So, if you have a customized dashboard like this, you have two options either to click on View All Posts or to go to the generic post icon and then click on All Posts. Let's use this button here, View All Posts. Mind you, you can only be able to edit posts that you posted with your account, and the admin of the website can be able to edit any post at all. So we have two types of edits. The quick edits here. So maybe you want to change some few information, the title, the slug, the date of publish, the category. Those are the things that you can change with a quick edit. But if you want to do advanced edit, you have to click on edit. So for the quick edit, let's say you want to add one. After that, you just have to click on update. If you want to do advanced edit, just click on it and then edit whatever you want to edit, and then click on update. Once you do this, you can click on this hyperlink to view the post. Yes, so this is it. To go back to our dashboard, we just have to click on this to go back to our dashboard. So now let's see how to actually delete a post. So we'll go back to view our post. Let's duplicate this post. So click on duplicate. And then let's publish it. So the post is published live, but we are going to delete it. So to delete it, you have to go to all posts. This is the post that you want to delete. So you have two options, either to click on the trash here. Let's just duplicate this one more time. Publish all posts. Duplicate again. Publish. All posts. Duplicate again. Publish. You can as well click on this add new post button if you want to add a new post rather than going back to the dashboard. So let's go to all posts. Now if you want to delete, or you want to do bulk delete, that is, you want to delete more than one blog post at a go, you just have to take the ones that you want to delete. Come here, bulk actions, and then move to trash, then click on apply. Okay, so it has been deleted. What if you mistakenly deleted an article and you want to restore? So to restore the article, you go back to the trash here, click on the article that you want to restore, and then click on restore. If you want to delete it permanently, you just click on delete permanently. But mind you, Once it is deleted permanently, nobody can be able to restore it. Even the website administrator cannot be able to restore it. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard, open in a new tab. So if you look at how to edit, how to delete a post, and how to restore. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you.